Hello everyone, Jerry is here coming to you with another video. Today I have in front of me this. This is the V40 ThinQ by none other than LG. Luckily enough, they were able to send it over. This is, as you can see, the AT&T branded model. And back here, as you can see, it contains an LG V40 ThinQ, travel charger, USB data cable, SIM card pre-installed, removable, luckily, quick start guide, and let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got some more branding here. DTS:X by the boombox system, because obviously this phone has the boombox where it will like rattle a table and sound louder. Qualcomm Snapdragon, wireless emergency capable, you know, those emergency alerts. But actually, let's get into it. Slice this open. I do have a knife. There we go. Put that to the side. All right, let's get into it. Let's put it down and see if we can slide it on up. All right, put that on the side. Ooh, look at that. A really nice LG cleaning cloth. That's LG branded. Kind of nice. Nice work, LG. That's pretty snazzy looking. Obviously, we have AT&T with this it can wait thing for texting, because they do not like texting and driving. I've been to one of those events. They do a good job with that. LG Get Started guide, AT&T branding, AT&T, all AT&T. But let's put the phone to the side for a second and get into the box. And here, what do we have? Obviously, we have our guides. We don't need to look at that. We have our quick charging brick. It is just a USB to USB-C cable in here. So it's not USB-C to USB-C, but I guess it makes more sense right now to give you a USB-A cable. What kind is this? Oh, this is just, you know, sticker for the phone. But okay, that's cool enough. Let's actually get into the phone, push this stuff to the side. And here we have it. Distracted driving is never okay. We have our V40 branding on the back, but actually let's just open this up and see what we got. Oh, that just slid right off. Okay. So there we have it, our V40 ThinQ. All right, if you look at the front here without the screen, obviously you see we do have our little notch there, not nearly as bad as the Pixel 3 XL. We have our volume rockers here. This is that Google Assistant button on the side and the power button over here, flanked by the SIM card tray. And on the back here, we have our V40 logos. We have our fingerprint sensor, flash, and 3 cameras. Telephoto, regular and wide. Great stuff. A microphone up here, and antenna bands, and single speaker. Does have a headphone jack. Look at that, folks. It does have a headphone jack and USB-C. But let's power it on and see what we get first. There we go. LG V40 ThinQ, powered by Android. Ah, yes, AT&T. All right, welcome screen. I will run through this. I'm going to set this up because I'm really looking forward to testing out the wide angle and telephoto here on these, because, you know, obviously the Pixel 2, which I'm actually shooting this video on, well, I have 2 cameras, but the Pixel 3 is one of the ones I'm shooting on. It looks pretty good to me. I wanted to test that out, the video quality. But I really want to test this out against the Pixel 3, because 3 cameras, that's 3 times the fun. And also we have those 2 cameras on the front, which is, you know, wide angle, you know, and regular angle. But what's crazy is the Pixel 3 has a wider wide angle than this phone does. Okay, so that's it for now. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, show it off. This phone is incredibly light. It's not as big in hand, you know, as you would think with a big ass screen like that, but it works pretty good. Obviously, you see they're trying to hide the notch right here. Even in regular software, they hide the notch automatically, but I'm going to be testing this out, obviously against the Pixel 3 for photo quality and everything, but in general, I'm just going to be using this as a daily probably for the next week or so and giving it a try. All right, this has been Joey Riz. See you later.